Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Mary. Old 5 years is she. Brother 1 has she. Doll plays with her she. An ice cream loves she to eat. Do these groups of words make any sense to you? No, not at all. Now let us put them in another order. Mary is a good girl. She is 5 years old. She has one brother. She plays with her doll. She loves to eat an ice cream. Don't they make sense to you now? Yes, they make complete sense. You must put the words in their proper order to make a sentence. A quick revision. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Remember? Each sentence begins with a capital letter. Each sentence ends with a full stop. Let us quickly do some more examples.
Click true for the sentence with complete tense. Cannot see man a blind. False. Poor the begin woman cried too. False. Ginny and Binny are sisters. True. A year in or their months 12. False. My father is a surgeon. True.
Subject and predicate. Let's have a quick revision. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The person or thing we speak about is called the subject. What we say about the person or thing is called the predicate. The sentences given are divided into subjects and predicates. Read them aloud. India is a great country. This house is beautiful. His axe fell into the river. The workmen were lazy. The poor boy began to weep. All the colored words are subject. The rest are predicate. Sometimes the subject is understood or left out. In the sentences given, the subject you is left out. Come in really means you come in. Go out really means you go out. Sit down really means you sit down. Stand up really means you stand up. Stop really means you stop.
What is missing in the sentence given? Drag and drop from the help box. Meera is an intelligent girl. Capital letter. Patricia is singing. Full stop. There are many swings in this park. Full stop. Girl ran a little is jumbled. Ashok is the captain of our team. Capital letter. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.